Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Before starting my video, if you didn't subscribe my channel yet, please do. And do not forget to turn on notifications because I'm here every day for you. Alright, let's continue. Product controller. Add controller. MVC and empty. Let's say product controller. Perfect. Let's add our I generic service for product, but we didn't create our V models, right? Let's get back our models, entity and V models. Okay, let's add new folder, product, V model, add new class, product list V model, add new class, product create V model, and let's add new class, product update V model. Alright, let's open our product and let's copy all of them. The product list V model. I need ID, name, quantity, price. I don't need category ID. Should I need? Yeah, I need category. I would like to add category name and product feature. I need both of them, but I need to use category list V model because we should use V models. So we need to create a product feature V model as well. Let's create a new folder here. Product feature V model. Let's add class product feature V model list V model. Let's copy this name. It's hard to write. Let's add class create V model. Add class update V model. Alright. Let's add product feature. Let's copy all of them. Product feature list. Do we need to see ID? No. Product ID and product, we don't need to see them all as well. Height, color, and weight will be enough. What about create one? Do we need any? Let's Control V. We don't need any ID. It will came automatically. Height, weight, color. We need to add a product ID, but we don't need any product. Let's come here, update. We need ID, height, weight, color, product ID. Should we use product ID as an update? Let me think a little bit. Yeah, we need it. Let's delete this one. Okay, let's continue our product now. Product list. Okay, category list view model has been added, and product feature list view model. Let's add our, and it can be null as well again. Let's continue with product create. Let's copy from product All right, product create, category create. Actually, should I need category create? I don't need it because I don't want to create any category using product create, but we need to add category ID. All right, product features. Yep, I need it. Create view model. Perfect. And it can be null again. Product update. We need all of them. We need category ID. I don't need any category here. But we might need to update view model. What's happening? What? Oh my God. Yep. And it can be null again. Perfect. Our view models has been created. Let's save all, close all tabs. Get back to product controller. Okay, perfect. So we have a product and we have product list view model. Let's add create view model now. Product create view model and product update view model. Perfect. Let's say repository. Let's create our constructor. Perfect. Let's type in our methods. The first method will be get all products var products repository dot get all items. Let's add our category and product features. Ignore being nullable. Perfect. And I'm going to return my products. Perfect. Let's create our view first. Add view, reserve view. Anything else gets all products. Okay, let's edit. I'm waiting to Visual Studio create a new CSHTML file for me. Perfect. Let's add our model first. Okay, it is going to be list. It seems we have another, again, we have problem here. Add model. Yeah, it's not coming up. It's okay, we can reset the application again. List. The return value is product list view model, right? Let's control dot. There is no suggestion. Let's save it. Close the app one more time. Let's reopen it. All right. Let's try to control dot one more time. Let's see the suggestions. Here we go. Let's put it in our view imports. Let's save it and close it. Perfect. Okay. Let's say get all products. I'm going to copy my table from categories section, get all categories. Let's copy all of them. All right. Okay, so we have, let's get back our view models. Where is my view model? Product view model. No feature, product view model. ID, name, quantity, price. Let's start with them. ID, name, quantity, price, product name, quantity, price. Next one, category name, category name. Let's say height, weight, and color. All right. And the manipulation. Manipulation. All right. Let's continue with for each. We have our model. It's ID, name. Let's continue with quantity. So why we couldn't get quantity? Oh, this is, oh my God, we are changing category. Oh my God. All right, I'm just gonna copy this section. Let's Control Z, switch to get all products and paste here. Perfect. Okay, let's close it before broke it. Okay, perfect. Let's continue with quantity, then category name. Oh, we forgot the price, right? Let's let's say price, quantity, price. Then we need category dot name. Perfect. We need product features dot, where's the height, weight, and color. Anything else should be add. Let me have a look. All right, it seems all done. Let's change the controller to product. Update product. Item ID, perfect. Category, let's change this to product. Delete product. All right, perfect. Product and create product. Create new product. Perfect. Let's run the application and let's see the results. Category, product, right click on it, view in browser, and let's see the old products. Hopefully we're going to get them all. We have problem here. We couldn't get category name. Probably we couldn't include the object. Let's have a look. Let's put a breakpoint here. Let's run the application. Oh, we're going to go the products, right? All right, let's say product get all products. Here we go. Let's move forward. All right, let's receive all items. Let's have a look how many items we have. We have one item. Perfect. Include properties if it's not null, which is not. The first property is category. Yep. So let's have a look. Results view. We have category here. Construction. Perfect. Second is product feature. Let's have a look. Our item right now. Result view. Product feature has been added. It's perfect as well. Let's have a look at our mapping section now. Maybe we have problem in mapping area. Is collection is true. We are in our source list. This is category and product feature. Perfect. Destination object. Let's have a look at our destination object. There is nothing here yet. Okay, destination list. It's empty. Entity in properties. Let's have a look. We have ID, name, quantity, price, category ID, category, and product feature. Everything seems correct. Okay, let's continue. Entity in. First one is product. Yeah, okay. Let's have a look. This is our product. First product. Category, ID, name, product feature. Perfect. This is empty destination out object. Let's have a look entity out. Now we're going to have a look for ID. Yep. Now we copy to the ID. Let's have a look. Our destination object. ID is completed. Continue with name. Name has been completed. Yep, brick. Let's continue with quantity. Quantity has been completed as well. Let's continue with price. Let's have a look. Price, here we go. Let's continue with category. All right. This is null. We couldn't get the property. We couldn't get the property name and type. All right. So we have a problem trying to map subclasses. Okay, we have to fix this error. Let's stop the application. Okay, save everything, close all tabs, minimize everything, and let's get back to our mapper and let's fix this error. Now let's go our mapping class. All right. First of all, let's make this class much more readable. So we have two different type here. The first one is for collections and the other one for just entities. So I'm going to create a new private return value is going to be object, map object class. All right, let's leave the parameter empty just for now. Now I'm going to cut this whole section let's say destination will be come here, will come here. Okay, so we need a source here, right? And in this section, source is going to be entity in. So I can say confidently this is going to be entity yeah, let's say entity in. Then we're going to give an object source, right? Yep, this is the source, and we need to give type entity out. All right, let's give entity in for type of source and entity out for type of destination. Yep, and the request is source. Perfect. Now return value is, let me have a look, destination. Perfect. And let's ignore the nullable. Okay, now all we need to do is var destination map object. Alright, let's give entity in, which is entity in, but we need to give type of entity in, right? Type of entity in. Perfect. Now we need to give a source. In this case, our source is, let's have a look. This is just for entity, right? This is, the source is request. Perfect. The type of entity out. Entity out. Perfect. This section is completed, and let's continue with the list I collection site. So, first of all, this entity in name makes us confused. I'm gonna switch it to the item because these are items in our source list, guys. Let's switch it to the item. All right. So I'm going to, let's have a look my private object again. So it comes from destination activator, destination activator. Okay, let's make this section command line. So we need a destination out object, right? All right. Let's say map object entity in is, so let me think, this is collection site, right? So what we supposed to use for entity in, obviously we need to use entity in. Let's give type of entity in. An object is going to be item, comes from here this time, and type of entity out. Let me think a couple of seconds. Did we give the correct types? So it requires, let's have a look. It requires, it is using entity in, getting properties, entity out, getting properties. So we need to use these properties. So we getting properties from entity in and out. So alright, perfect. So we can delete these, I guess. Are we using them? No. So let's make those section comment line as well. So these are useless. Perfect. It seems everything okay. Let's delete this section and let's delete this section as well. Perfect. Now we just make this class much more readable. We didn't change anything yet. Let's try to run the application. If the category controller works, everything is correct. Let's run the application. Perfect. Categories is working. Let's try product. We need to get an error message. Yep, here we go. This is our problem. Perfect. Let's stop it. Now try to fix the bug right now. All we need to do is we're going to add another logic here. First of all, if let me think a little bit. Let's say property out dot property type dot name contains property type, property in dot property type dot name. Why I type this? This is, for example, category list view model category. So I'm telling basically category list view model contains category, feature product feature list view model contains feature. This is the basic logic, okay? So if we give category list view model product, so it is going to be failed. All right. Also this property out property type must be a class, is class, and this property out property type shouldn't be type of string. If we get these features, specifications, I want my application to create a new variable which is nested value. All right. So how I'm going to get this nested value? Property in get value. I'm going to get value from source, right? Yep. Source and var sub destination. Now I'm going to create nested objects. I'm going to call map object again here. Now I'm going to give type of, let me think a little bit. Actually, I can give property in type of, right? Let's type here property in dot property type. All right, the nested value is my value and property out property type is entity out. Perfect. We created our nested object. Now all we need to do is assign this value to our property out. Property out set value destination, no, set value Yeah, it's correct. Destination, sub-destination. Okay, this is the object, this is the value. Perfect. Now it must be work, guys. Let's minimize it. Let's put a breakpoint here and see step by step. By the way, another thing, I'm going to break here and one break here. I'm adding this because once this if logic find the match between these properties, it can end the for each because it's only can match just one time. All right, so it doesn't need to check all the data, and if we do that, we're going to waste our time. All right, let's run the application now. Let's put a breakpoint. Did we put a breakpoint? Yeah, here we go. All right, this is for category. Let's run the category. It's all right. It's not important. Category is easy. Let's run the products. Get all products. Perfect. Let's go step by step. This is collection. Here we go. We created our list. Let's go every item step by step. Destination, out object, map object. We are in now. Okay, let's go inside. The first property is ID. As you can see, this is not a class. We passed this one and we're going to check the second. Yep, here we go. We are in our ID. Let's have a look. We copy our ID to our new class. Let's continue. Property out is name. Next is name. We passed here because it's not a class. And property in is ID. Name and ID, so we couldn't get anything. We continue again. Now property in name as well. We are in. Once we copy the value, break is going to work and this for each will be collapsed, and we're going to continue with next one. Here we go. Next one is quantity. Let's try one more time. Here we go. We get the quantity as well and we break it. Then price, second, third, fourth. Here we go. Price. We get the price as well and it's gone. Let's have a look. ID, name, price and quantity has been catched by our method. Now it is the important place. We will try to catch our classes now. Property, as you can see, category, property in, ID. So we're going to pass property in quantity, property in price, property in category ID, property in category. All right, category and category. Perfect. We match the items. Actually, this is category list view model. This is category. All right. As you can see, property name contains property type name. This is category. This is category list model and it contains, and this is class true, and the property type, it is not a type of string. All right, let's continue. We get our nested value, which is category. So we're going to get sub destination. Sub destination is category list view model, and property out has been set. Let's continue. Let's have a look at our destination. Here we go. Our category has been filled with category list view model. Perfect. It is working. Let's continue. This one is product feature. This is ID. Let's find the features. Alright, product feature has been catched. Nested value has been catched. Sub destination catch. And break. Probably we get all features. Yep, this is the product features. Perfect. Let's click to continue. Here we go, guys. Finally, we brought our product with category and product features. Perfect. It is working. Okay, let's close the application now. Let's continue with other sections. But let me look how many minutes have been done. The 17 minutes here, and already have a couple of more minutes. More, it's almost 30 minutes. All right, let's finish this lesson here, or else it's going to be more than 1 hour. It is going to be too long. Let's continue with other methods on our lessons, guys. If you have any questions with this section, please drop comment below the video. I will be really more than happy to help you. It's really complex and complicated subject. As I told you before, we're not gonna use our handmade mapping class for our future real project, because we have third-party libraries to get rid of this complexity. But this is really good practice to learn our basic fundamental C# knowledge and skills. We are using reflection deeply here, guys. Alright, if you crash the like button, I will be really appreciated. It really motivates me creating new videos. Take care of yourself. See you on next lesson. Bye bye.